Charlton Heston is here!
Charlton, for God's sake. Welcome back to The Kieran Show. My name's Kieran, his name's Kieran, and this is The Kieran Show. I said that already. Oh my God, we're talking about Space Marines once more. Oh, brother.
And in my hat!
Yeah, and
With some candles on it.
where is the bowl? Bring us the bowl.
What I should have done, we should have got the bowl out. I should have written Titus again, scribbled it out and put Vulkan, and then got like a tea light and put it on the top.
Just like held like a little plush dinosaur or something.
Actually, no, we're health and safety conscious. I would have got, you know, those fake ones you put in the bottom of candles, like the ones that
What are you doing with your hand there?
They have like the light in the middle of the candle that just goes like that. The fake tea lights.
Oh, I see.
Just
Right,
one of those because we're health and safety conscious.
Yeah, I was confused. I think I was looking at the actions you were doing more than the words you were saying, and I was a bit confused. But yes, Salamanders. Let's talk about them because they've had a brand new mini, and with
Hot stuff.
Weird. And also a brand new detachment as well, which sort of replaces the old one.
Does it though? So, no one said.
Yeah, they haven't said, but it's the same rules.
I like the angle it's going with, but
yeah, it's strange, but needless to say, it was the perfect opportunity to give you more Army Cost videos because you love those. And we are going to be talking about Salamanders.
Someone's been talking about a Salamanders army for a bit as well, haven't you?
I mean, it hasn't been that long. We obviously have plans to do a Tale of Two Loyalists army next year when Kieran finishes painting Emperor's Children. And then
2029.
2029, baby. And I've been obviously going back
29k and 29.
Yes, there it is. I was quite excited about Salamanders until I saw Saladin Khan, and then I went, I'll probably go with those guys.
Full like Andy in Toy Story. I don't want to play with you anymore.
Yeah, look, I'll be honest, after painting Vulkan as well, it made me realise I actually don't want to paint a whole army of that.
Really?
Yeah. I don't get me wrong, it's a great little model, and I enjoyed doing it, but just not anywhere near as much as I thought I might.
You just love the heresy bit with the baby.
I'm going to need some
What's
context.
his name? Katsuhiro. Is it? No, not Katsuhiro.
Oh, no, it's not Katsuhiro. You're talking about...
Shibin Khan.
Is it Shibin Khan? I can't remember.
Shibin Khan, I was right.
Yeah, Shibin Khan it was. But yeah, I love that story. The concept of walking around war-torn terror just through this wasteland full of like demon gribblies while you're trying to protect a baby. It was like...
I checked out Mortis by then.
I don't know. It was the only story in Mortis I actually cared about. I was just like, what are you going to do with the baby, Shibin? And
that's the only reason you want a White Scars army though, isn't it?
I just love that story. And I'll be honest, White Scars are just cool anyway. And after seeing what they did with Subodin, I was like, yeah, I want a bit of that.
We're not talking about White Scars though.
We aren't. We're talking about Salamanders because they're hot right now. Salamanders. So hot right now. We are going to be jumping straight in with the Combat Patrol, as is customary.
But it has the ATV in it.
It does have the ATV in it. Do you remember last week when I added a Combat Patrol and then went, I'm going to add another Combat Patrol? I'm going to do it again, baby, because this one is actually, when I broke it all down, quite good for Salamanders. So, obviously, with
It includes an ATV, and then you've willingly bought 2 ATVs.
Interesting.
Swear to God, when we get to the Iron Hands one, if you buy 4 servo strike turrets, I'll kill you.
Well, I'm not going to buy any of those Combat Patrols because they are hot garbage, and I won't stand for it. In this one, you get Adrax Agatone. I can hear you in the comments. You can't have more than one name character.
Does their neck do that when they do that?
Yeah, they're proper like sassy, like clicking their fingers.
I'm
like, stop! Yeah, I'll show you. So 2 Adrax Agatone, which will set you back 170 points. Obviously that doesn't work, so I have written a little note. Play Adrax as a Judiciar instead. We'll get onto that as to why. Just keep our shit, there's plenty of stuff in here. Next up, you get 5 Assault Intercessors. And at first I was like, that's such a weird thing to put in a Salamander's box. But then you add another 5 from your additional Combat Patrol box. You've got 10 Assault Intercessors. Throw your Judiciar in with them! Easy peasy. So that will set you back 150 points. For 10, which I thought was quite good after we did Votan last week.
Anything's good after Votan.
We'll take those. But yeah, on top of that, you also get 10 Infernus Marines. So technically, because we've got 2, well, it's not even technically, you get 20, which is quite good.
People even buying Infernus Marines?
Oh, I think they
people have got so many of them. Like, they came in Combat Patrol, they came in Leviathan.
But I think, so you've said this a couple of times in videos, and I've thought about it. You've bought into all of those.
I have like 20.
so you're like, everyone has that, and I'm like, no, I think that is just you because I don't own any.
I think I have 20 Infernus Marines, and I've never painted one.
That's
actually no. I own 20. I've painted 4 and stripped them 4 times because I use them as my test minis because they don't work in any If I should do a Salamanders army, obviously they work.
That is crackers to me. Absolutely crackers. Points win prizes. 20 Infernus Marines will set you back 360 points.
Flame on!
Flame on indeed. And in this detachment, I think it's an extra bit of strength. So strength 5 flamers, which is very nice. It's a shame really, because I think that for a Salamanders detachment, it would have been better to give each flamer... We'll save that for another video. Next up, we've got Eradicators. Not 3, 6, because we've got 2 boxes. Haha, you bored of this yet?
You need 9 of these, in my opinion.
I don't know. 9 feels insane because you've got 6 for 200 points. 300 points on Eradicators feels a bit much.
Would you run these as a brick of 6 or 2 sets of 3?
I would run them as a brick of 6 because you've got 2 Invader ATVs. So with these with these Invader ATVs, for 2 of them will only cost you 120 points.
You know why you really struggled to say it? Because like no one can say Invader ATV without nearly throwing up.
It was almost ironic how long it took you to say it.
Yeah, no, that was the point.
When I was waiting, I was like, But yeah, in obviously the 2 combat patrol boxes, you get 2 characters, 10 assault intercessors, 20 Infernus Marines, 6 Eradicators, and 2 Invader ATVs. So you've got your 2 lots of Eradicators that are going to be like boom boom melter, and your 2 ATVs that are going to be like wee melter. So I was just like, this checks out. Next up, we've got Vulkan He'Stan. So this guy, for 100 points, I think is pretty good. So you can slap him with a unit of Infernus Marines. You can even do Company of Heroes if you wanted to. I don't think anybody's playing that unit.
He looks, if you kit bashed a Company of Heroes box set.
Oh yeah.
And put him in with it.
It would slap. Just do that. That'll be cool. I haven't done this in here, but you should do that. So yeah, he sets you back 100 points and £28. So a little bit spenny for a Space Marine character.
He's a good little mini though.
Big fan. He is quite good.
Don't try and change the arm pose though, because someone did it and realised it's actually a lot of work.
It was more. It was a little bit harder than what I'd initially bargained for. Next up, we've got Aggressors. So Aggressors come in units of 3. I've bought 4 of them.
That was the wrong time to be drinking.
Yeah, no, I think I just killed Kieran. I bought 4 boxes of Aggressors. 2 units of 6. Lots of fire. So these Aggressors will set you back 440 points and £148. Pow! That's a lot of fire.
Power right in the Aggressor.
Power right in the Aggressor, baby. Yeah, there's a lot of fire going on in here. So suddenly we've got 6 units of Eradicate, or 6 units, 6 people with Melter, 2 vehicles with Melter, 20 Flamers, and then 6 Aggressors with nothing but Flamers. No, wait, that's 12. 12 Aggressors! There's so much fire. There's fire everywhere.
I love the idea of Salamanders, like, because they're so into fire. It's just the image of like 10 Infernus Marines trying to cook a tank.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's gonna go! It's gonna go!
It's so sick. So sick. But yeah, no, I actually ended up having quite a fun time with this list.
I was gonna say, is it low-key a really bad idea? I want us to have this army now. It's actually really fun.
If you're okay with your opponent rolling dice, just encourage.
You don't need to roll dice, because you auto hit. This is a fast army.
No, because you have to do D6 for every flamer attack.
Oh yeah.
And that's a lot of dice. Rolling for wounds, you'll be there forever. Next up, I was at a bit of an impasse here because I had lots of things, and outside of the Invader ATVs, not a lot of speed.
Did you do the stupid thing? Did you put a Land Raider Redeemer in here?
How dare you, sir? I chucked 2 Impulsors in next. So Impulsors set you back 160 points for 2 and £105. I was like, that's pretty bad value. I looked into it. I put the big brain move and I went, hold on a second. What Space Marine units have firing decks? So you can drive in the middle, have a toughness 10 vehicle, and you can be using your flamers from the top! And it's Impulsors. They have firing deck 5, I think. So I was just like, boom, 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 boom. Let's go. So I was having a very good time with this.
I dig it.
And then I've got the Land Raider Redeemer!
The only person to ever buy one.
The Land Raider Redeemer with the biggest flamers I've ever seen is 285 points and 71 pounds 50.
I really like this list.
Yes. So in this entire list, obviously you've got the Codex Space Marines and the data cards. I don't care about any of that sort of stuff, whatever. Adrax Agatone times 2. So obviously you're running one, run the other one as a Judiciary, run him as a captain. Take him in the palm of your hand, put him in your oven, burn him. It's Salamanders style, baby. We've then got 10 Assault Intercessors. We've got 20 Infernus Marines. We've got 6 Eradicators, 2 ATVs, Vulkan He'Stan, 12 Aggressors, 2 Impulsors, and a Land Raider Redeemer.
I want this army.
Boom!
How many points?
Bang, bang, bang. 1,985.
This is really cool.
This is sick!
I'm gonna go on. This might be my favourite army cost video so far.
I think I went in very high. I looked at it on the surface and I was like, I think I'm gonna have to bring the energy here. Bring the fire! Take a guess as to how much this is.
Oh, it can't be as bad as Votan.
Oh, maybe.
Well, you are buying a Land Raider Redeemer at £71.
Yes.
And buying all of the stock of Aggressors.
That is true. So, with your Codex and your date cards, it costs you £610. Double Combat Patrol. Unbelievable value.
Yeah, we still got 2 ATVs in here.
So I was thinking about it, how it would line up on the battlefield, and I thought Land Raider Redeemer in the middle, 2 Impulsors either side with flaming firing decks, and then 2 ATVs going whee around the corner with like melters.
Throwing mushrooms.
Yeah, and I was like, actually, this is really sick. Yeah, obviously you've got quite a lot of Gravis in here with your Aggressors and your Eradicators. I'd probably just stick your Eradicators in the Land Raider and be like, go, be gone. And then
how many dollars we got?
So
we had £610 in Britishness.
610 Britishness pounds. Bizarre. In America, it costs you 1,002. Very odd. In euros, 802.50, which I thought was pretty good. And then in Australia, down under, 1,608.50. I thought it was all right.
I really like this army.
Yeah, I was like...
This might be the first... Oh, it's probably because it's Space Marines.
Yeah,
I can hear the click-clack machine already.
Yeah.
This might be the first army cost video we've done that I'm like...
That's not true. You did that for Sisters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Sisters, I was like, I could buy this.
Yeah, yeah.
So now we've got 2 army cost videos where I'm like...
Yeah. The thing is, this is very, very fun. And I think whenever you're adding flavour to Space Marines, suddenly it's wicked.
I mean, if we weren't saving up to do cool things with the studio, I'd say could we buy this army?
Yeah. I mean, it is cool. It's just, it ain't competitive, that's for sure.
It's an anime list.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's just like, fire! More fire! But yeah, it might be fun. It would take ages to play it. Absolutely ages. You need a whole day to roll that amount of flame attacks, but yeah.
I think this list only works if you get, I own a pair as well, if you get the Vans high tops with the flames on the bar.
Oh, nice. And then the year 6 shirt with the flames up the side. Oh, imagine if you get flame jeans.
I had flame jeans.
Oh, nice.
No, 3/4. They had flames that came up the side.
Yeah, but there we go. Salamanders, unbelievable. In the books, and I actually kind of enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Good! Because I'll have a White Scars one before long with Saboden, and that might be quite fun.
That'll just be 18
It'll be
Outriders.
I'm telling you now, it'll be the fastest one so far.
It'll be Saboden and Outriders.
Do you like bikes and speeders? Because that's all we've got. Yeah, it's a shame though, because in the White Scars
you just buy 4 combat patrols.
How would you do that?
When you go to the GW website, you click 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's where I was going wrong. Yeah, I think it's weird with the White Scars, because you've obviously got Assault Intercessors, but it's 4 Impulsors.
To put all 4 of the Assault Intercessors in, and then you've got
I don't
Bike.
want that many Assault Intercessors. I don't know. It's a funny one. I think, yeah.
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Indeed. We will cross the bridge when we come to it. But yeah, that's Sally's, baby. Nice and easy.
Dig it. Absolutely dig it.
Indeed. Normally, I'd be like, oh, let us know down below what you thought of the list. I already know it's good. I already know it's fun.
I already know I won.
I won at this. This is probably the best one I've done this entire edition. And yeah, I'm happy to wear that crown. It's my crown. That was a gecko one.
Careful, your head's not going to fit on the door.
There aren't many hats that fit it already. But yeah, if you would like to buy this list, if you would like
Please
to be a legend, you could have a crown.
You could buy me this list for Christmas.
There it is. Listmas.
Salamus.
How was it worse? Listmas was already a reach. Salamus.
That's like a Harry Potter spell.
Yeah, Solomon Kane. Yes, please go click the links down below. Go buy some Sallies because that'd be really cool. 4 boxes of Aggressors.
If you can find 4 boxes of Aggressors in stock.
It's never been done. Yeah, buy 4 boxes of Aggressors because that is the big boy play. And yeah, we'd like to say a massive thank you to everybody on the left-hand side as well. You joined the cult of Kieran once and you pay us money. I'm not sure why, but we are eternally grateful for your support. We do love you immensely. Is there anything else you'd like to say other than Salamanders forever?
I want to get out of this video because I want to go find my Infernus Marines.
Peace and love.